Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss how to install a DIY mini split system. With many great DIY kits from established brands available, putting in your ductless system is easier than ever and can save you thousands. DIY mini split tools required: adjustable wrench, drill and driver, hole saw, level. DIY recommended materials: wall brackets or plastic/concrete pad, wall brackets, evaporator, plastic line set cover kit, screws. Steps to install a DIY mini split. Step 1. Power to your mini split. Mini splits usually run on 120V or 220V mini split. A small system might allow you to tie into your pre-existing circuit, but the safest practice is dedicating a new breaker line to it by running a cable from the main panel to the unit. Step 2. Condenser placement. The first step for installing your outdoor unit is finding the best location. Ideal locations should have good air circulation/ventilation, a solid base supporting the unit, and be as obscured from sight and sound as possible. Position the unit to protect it from the weather if you can. Step 3. Air handler placement. In the room you want air conditioning, choose an exterior wall that leads to the outside. Like the condensing unit, find an area large enough to house it and where things like furniture or shelving won't block it. Mounting the air handler and covering the refrigerant line set. Replace any insulation lost in the process for better efficiency. Last but not least, cover your refrigerant line set with some casing. Metal works great, but plastic is a more cost-effective solution for the DIYer. Step 4. Testing the DIY mini split. If you need more confidence with electrical or HVAC, having a licensed professional check never hurts to ensure it all checks out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking how to install a DIY mini split system, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best resource online. Have a great rest of your day.